everyone, welcome back to my channel and another daily food haul. Today I've been to Asda and got a random variety of things that I'm going to use over the week and some things that will last longer. So the first thing I picked up is this Perrier green apple sparkling natural mineral water. These are on offer for about 65p at the moment. They're normally like £1.20, but they sell them at B&M for 69p, but I don't go to B&M much lately, so I just picked that up. I got a small bottle of Dr Pepper, a 1.5 litre bottle of Evian. I got some of these Asda's own butter Mentos. I was trying to get some Werther's Originals. They had fully sold out, and I like to have things like this for when I'm driving, so I thought I'd try them. The Pizza Express pizzas are on offer for £2.25 at the moment. I've had this chicken pepper and Cajun spice pizza before, so I'm going to have half today, half tomorrow. They have all the other flavours on offer. They even have the garlic balls, or I can't remember what they're called, but those little balls with garlic on, basically. I got some Mr Kipling. The Mr Kiplings are on offer for 75p at the moment. I got a pack of 3 Outpost soy strawberry flavour. I've never ever tried the strawberry ones, and I got the chocolate ones as well. I got a box of shreddies. I got my favourite rice, which is the Bird's Eye Steam Fresh. I've not had this in ages, I always forget to get it, and then I saw it for 95p today, so I picked up a pack. If I remember, I'm going to pick up another pack tomorrow, and maybe another pack whilst it's still on offer. I got this palm olive kitchen hand wash. Mine has literally just run out, and I was meant to pick one up yesterday and I forgot. So I've got the kitchen one, and then my downstairs toilet one has run out, and this is what I use. This is my favourite one, the milk and honey, so I managed to pick up them today. I got 60 sandwich bags with fold over top. Never had these before. I'm hoping they're big enough for a really good size sandwich. I'll see how I get on with them. I got some blueberries and a small snack pack of grapes because I've got yoghurt but I don't have any fruit to go with it, and I like to have fruit with yoghurt, so I've just picked up these two. How cute is this box of eggs? The eggs are not pink, but couldn't resist. They have a really nice blue one, but that's large sized eggs and I wanted medium. I got this Dettol all-in-one spray thanks to Mrs Hinch. She uses this on her cupboard doors and handles to help kill germs. She uses it on other things as well, and seeing as it's cold and flu season, I thought I'd get one. If I remember, I'm going to pick up one every time I go to the shop, because they're on offer from £3.80 down to £2, I think. I got this Clean and Clear Visibly Clear Spot Stress Control Daily Scrub. It's not Clean and Clear, it's Neutrogena. I just wanted a face wash, and this was on offer. I think it was on offer for £2 instead of £3.85 or £4, I'm not sure. And I've not had any of these in the longest time, and they used to be my favourite sweets growing up. So when I was in the mint section trying to find Werther's Originals, I spotted them and picked them up. That's everything I got today. It's quite different to what I normally pick up. There's some things you wouldn't have seen me pick up for a very long time, like I've not had any of this year at all. I used to get these, I think the chocolate ones, last year, and I haven't had them, so something different. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them down below and I'll answer. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button, then you'll get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone.